The overall goal of this sample preparation method is to pre-concentrate small organic pollutants from water samples in a user-friendly, cost-effective, and automated way.
This method can replace standard SPE procedures when studying the contamination of water samples using immunodetection methods such as well-plate immunoassays or biosensors.
The main advantages of this technique is that the SPE procedure is automated while the footprint and cost of the instruments are low compared to traditional approaches. In addition, the performances of the enrichment process match the requirement of analysis by immunoassays, both in terms of low solvent content and pre-concentration efficiency.
First, filter a 100 mm water sample with a 0.2 micrometer pore size filter. Place the filtered sample in a glass bottle with GL45 thread. Prepare 300 microliters of eluent by diluting methanol in deionized water to 50% volume in a tight tube. Next, prepare a 20 mg per milliliter suspension of octadecyl silica sorbent particles by adding 1,600 microliters of methanol, followed by 400 microliters of deionized water, to 40 milligrams of reverse phase sorbent in a glass vial. Tightly close the lid and agitate with a vortex mixer. Place a nylon membrane with pore size 11 micrometers on a double layer of anti-dust tissue. Cut 2 small parts in the membrane with a 3 mm diameter punch. Then, grab one of the small membranes with flat end filter force.